Hello VIPs, this is Kiki from First Class Living, and I am here with my Walmart haul for the week of July 12th through the 18th. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Let's get into my Walmart haul. I received an email from Ibotta giving me an update on the summer pool bonus. If you aren't aware, it is a team bonus that Ibotta has placed everyone in. I am on Team Beach Ball, and it was just showing the progress of my team and what I could expect to gain if I finish my portion and what my team is ultimately looking at gaining. So you have to get 50 rebates done by July 31st, and looking at my app, I have 26 out of the 50. And then I also have a weekly essentials bonus where you have to get 24 rebates in order to get $5. So this is great because when I do the 24 rebates, and I think I only needed 20 more for that one, so when I do the rebates, they will count for both. So I like doing this. It makes my shopping less, especially in these times. And so I set out to Walmart to pick up some things that we needed, and also to see what I could incorporate to get more rebates done to help out my team, and to also to finish the weekly essentials bonus. And to my surprise, I was able to get 20 rebates, and so that completed my weekly essentials bonus and also put me up to 45, I think, and what I needed for the team bonus. So and also I was able to get some Shopkick deals. I like to be able to buy products also that will allow you to double dip. So that's pretty awesome as well. So let's get started. The first thing I have here is on the Alka-Seltzer gum. They were $4.24 at my store. I had a $2 coupon, and Ibotta is giving us $2 back, so that makes that product 24 cents. I wasn't able to show things on the shelves. As you can see, I have everything in my cart because my store was a complete mess. They were rearranging things and things were all out of sorts. So I just kind of put things in my cart. And if I was able to take pictures or show you, I did. If not, I'll kind of go over things in my cart. Plus, some of these deals are repeats anyway, like the Suave Men shampoo. It's $1.98. I've done this deal like 2 or 3 times already. It keeps resetting. We did have a $1.50 coupon. That coupon is no longer available. It expired on the 12th. So you pay $1.98, you get back 400 kicks from Shopkicks, and that's about $1.60. So it makes that shampoo just 37 cents. The next deal is also a repeat deal on the Carefree Breathe pads. They are $4.97. They have these $4 peelies attached to them, and the limit on that peelie is 2 per transaction. So I picked up 2 of them, and then you get back $1.50 from Ibotta, so it makes them free, plus a 53-cent moneymaker. The next deal is on the Stay Free pads. They are $2.86 each. I've done this deal also. I picked up 2 of them because I have a $2 off of 2 coupon that I printed off of stayfreepads.com. I think it's just stayfree.com. And then you get back $2 from Ibotta, $1 for each one, making it just $1.72 for both of them, or 86 cents each. The kids copper tone is $6.97. I've done this deal twice, and I paid $2.50 for the kids copper tone, but this particular day they came up $6.97. I'm not sure if I got the same one as I did last time. It was hard for me to decipher because, again, my store was a mess. They were rearranging shelves and changing things around, so I wasn't really sure. But it's $6.97. We have a $2 coupon and $2 back from Ibotta, so it makes it just $2.97. The Shiba cat food, I had a buy one get one free coupon that was expiring on the 18th, and my daughter's cat really likes these, so I figured I would use it before I lose it. So they're 78 cents and you get one free, making it 78 cents for two, or 39 cents each. The Bella dog food is 74 cents each at my store. When you buy 4, you get $1.50 off with the coupon, and you also get $1 back from Ibotta. So that brings 4 of the trays of dog food down to 96 cents for 4, or 24 cents each. Hallmark shoebox cards are $3.49. I picked up 3 of them, and I noticed that there was a $2 off of 3 coupon next to the cards, so that is why I picked up 3 of them. Otherwise, you can just pick up 1, and Ibotta will give you back the $1.25 for each one up to $3. But I picked up 3 of them at $3.49. That'll total you $10.47. You use that $2 off of 3 coupon. You'll get back $3.75 from Ibotta, making the final making the final cost. Let's see, $3.49 times 3. Sorry guys, my calculator I reset it. So you'll get back the $3.75. Makes it $4.72 for 3 of them, or $1.57 each. The Coca-Cola is a repeat deal. There is a bonus where if you redeem this offer 4 times, you get back 75 cents. I've done it once already, so this will be time number 2. They are $1.88, and you get back the 30 cents from Ibotta, making it $1.58. So the Sour Patch Kids are $1 each. You get back $1 from Ibotta when you buy 2, and that makes them just 50 cents each. The Welch's juice is $2 at my store. I have a 25 cents Ibotta rebate and 250 kicks, which is about $1 from Shopkick. So that brings the total down to just 75 cents for the Welch's juice. I thought that was awesome. We like these. My husband uses them in smoothies, and we just drink them by itself because we really like those. This tea is on clearance. It's actually gone down. I've gotten it before. I think it was $3.75 last week, and now it's $2.50. We have $1 back on Ibotta, making it just $1.50. Country Crock is $2.98 at my store. I have a $1 coupon that Country Crock mailed to me. Well, they emailed it to me. It was on the bottom of an email, and I got back $1 from Ibotta, making a Country Crock just 98 cents. There is also a rebate on checkout 51, so if you don't have the coupon from the email, you can just submit your receipt to checkout 51. Brown Cow yogurt is 96 cents, and you get back 96 cents from Ibotta, making it completely free. The Vita Cup infused tea is on clearance for $2.30. You get back $2 from Ibotta, making it just 30 cents. The egg whites are $4.97. We get back $1.25 from Ibotta plus 10 cents. And that brings the total down to $3.62. My husband likes to eat the egg whites. Let Me Shine detergent. I've never tried this before. So this will be a new product for me. It is $3.97. You get back $2 from Ibotta, making it $1.97. The Game Flings are $3.94. We have a $2 coupon in our July P&G. You get back $2 from Ibotta, making it free, and a 6-cent moneymaker. The Persil is $4.94. We have a $2 coupon that just came out this past Sunday. You get back $1 from Ibotta, making it $1.94. This tea is a repeat. I did it last week. It's $1.62. You get back $1 from Ibotta, making it just 62 cents each. Buttock lunch meat is 68 cents each. I picked up 5 because my coupon is $1 off of 5, and Ibotta is $1 off of 4. So that printable I printed from coupons.com. It brings the total down to $1.40 for 5 of them, or 28 cents each. Now, I couldn't find the 16-ounce buttock lunch meat at this particular Walmart, so I looked it up online on the Walmart app, and they were coming up as $3. So you would use that 75 cents printable coupon and get $1 back from Ibotta, making it $1.25. And with the kids home, picking up all that lunch meat is good for when they just want lunch, a quick lunch or a snack or something. So the next deal is on the Skinny Pop popcorn. I found a bag on clearance for $2.86. We just got dollar coupons that you can print. I'm not sure if it's still available. And also I had $1 on my coupons.com app. So either one of those. And it brings the total down to just $1.86. I really enjoy popcorn, so I was excited about that. And let's see. Okay, so Popsicle brand ice cream is $4.47 at my store. There is a $1.50 coupon. I'm not sure if it's still available to print, but we had it in a printable form and on the coupons.com app. So use either one and get back 315 kicks from Shopkick, which is about $1.26. And that'll bring that total down to just $1.71. So now I am cashing out a Shopkick gift card and an Ibotta gift card for a total of $50 to go towards my transaction. And to my surprise, my transaction before coupons was $90. So I think this is the biggest Ibotta Walmart haul I've had so far, and it was pretty successful. I'm happy with the results. So as always, I submit my receipt in the car, and now I just need 5 more for the summer pool bonus, and I completed the weekly essentials bonus. I already had 4 rebates tracking for that. So comment down below and let me know how many rebates you still need. Hopefully this video was helpful in helping you to get closer to your goal. And I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.